I tried being a 1950s housewife for a day, and let me tell you, I'm glad I am not living in the 1950s because this sucked. Let's dive in. So first, she gets up, she opens all the windows up, makes everything fresh, and she prepares breakfast for her and her husband. After that, she then cleans up breakfast, says goodbye to her husband as he goes off to work, and she takes a quick shower and a quick exercise routine. Now, before even she sits down for lunch, she has many chores to complete. She has dusting, vacuuming, doing the dishes, making the bed up, and a ton of other things, including washing the walls. Also, before lunch, she will then go out of the house, out going to the bank, getting groceries for tonight's dinner and the other weekly dinners, along with doing her hobbies, volunteering, and talking with the other housewives in the community. Once 3 p.m. comes around, you gotta start making dinner. If it requires to be started that early, dinner must be completed and on the table by the time her husband gets home. So typically, it would be about 5 o'clock is when you would want that on the table. So I did this for 8 hours. I didn't make it look like the 1950s, but I just did the chores list. And I can say for working for 8 hours, I was on my feet the entire time, and I live in a little small apartment, and throughout the day I walked over 8,000 steps, which is kind of insane for a small apartment. It's a constant go around of cleaning and organizing and preparing, and the dinners that you make are completely from scratch. There was no grabbing a frozen pizza out of the freezer when you just don't feel like cooking. In all, most of what I did, I wouldn't really want to do it again. Spending an entire day just cleaning your house is kind of awful. But there are some things from this that I would like to keep doing, like fluffing your pillows. I've never done that, and apparently it makes a huge difference. But the daily routine of washing your walls and dusting every part of your house, I could do without. That's my take on the 1950s housewife. I just did this for a day, and I realized that I would not be cut out for it. But this was daily life in the 1950s, no matter rain or shine, and once you had children, you just added childcare on top of all of your daily chores as well. So they were extremely busy every day, all day, and by the time they went to bed, they were just exhausted. So if you want to see any more videos of millennials attempting to do things in the past, let us know in the comments down below and what you think of this video. Thank you for watching.